It is a pleasure to meet you, my friend. Today we are going to explore the world of king crab fishing and processing. Every year, millions of king crabs are caught in the deep sea and processed in factories to bring this fresh delicacy to your table, so let's get started. Our story begins with a group of brave fishermen who venture into the harsh, cold waters of the ocean to bring back a bountiful harvest of king crabs. Early in the morning, before the sun even rises, fishermen set out in their boats to catch as many of the tens of thousands of king crabs as they can. Fishermen use special traps to catch these huge creatures, which weigh dozens of times more than the average crab. Once caught, the fishermen must immediately transport the king crabs to the fishing port, where they are stored in ice water pumped with oxygen to ensure freshness. The king crabs are then taken to a processing plant where they are cleaned by specialized workers who separate the legs from the body of the crab and then wash them to remove debris. factory workers place the king crabs neatly into metal cages. Thousands of king crab legs are then scalded in hot water to turn them a bright red color. The king crabs are then shipped to fish markets and supermarkets where chefs and traders from all over the world come to buy the world's best king crab. In Japan, king crab is considered the best variety and can cost up to US $40 per pound. It can even cost up to 5 million yen per piece. Amazing, isn't it? The meat of the king crab is so sweet and juicy that the customer seems satisfied after taking a bite. As we come to the end of this video, we express our gratitude to the fishermen and all the hard-working people in all fields who make it possible for us to enjoy such seafood. We thank and admire these great workers. Take care, my friend. If you like the video, please subscribe to me. Hope you enjoy. See you soon.